was dreaming now, drifting.
Hello, welcome back to my channel. So today we're doing a mini desk setup makeover for the hubby. If you have been following me for a while, you probably know that he was actually in this office with me in the beginning until my desk content started getting super serious and I needed to film all the time, so I had to move him downstairs. Downstairs technically has a little bit more space, but it can get really cold during the winter. I did get him a heater and he's been enjoying his time down there. I'll link that video up in the cards up above and down below if you haven't seen it yet. If you haven't been to my channel yet, welcome. My name is Holly from Life with Holly Lifestyles. I'm so excited to share with you my life as an entrepreneur and my tips and tricks for business. I also do a lot of desk, tech, and lifestyle videos, so if you're interested in any of that or all of that, make sure you subscribe. I've always wanted to do a desk setup for him for a while now and have asked him before what style he would like, but he always said that he didn't need a makeover and he didn't want to spend a lot of money, so we decided to do a budget-friendly version. If you're looking to do a pretty big change to your space to make a big difference and you're willing to paint your walls, this is the best way to do so. We decided to do a dark gray. We got the color at Home Depot. In the beginning we wanted to do kind of like a black, but then we thought that might be a little too dark, especially when downstairs is a little darker, so we decided to stick with a darker gray. We also had this gold and white shelf that we had for my small business that we didn't need anymore, so we decided to bring it home, and he spray painted the gold bars white so that the shelf will be white and so it can bring some color into the space. So enough talking, let's get into this makeover. So our walls are pretty warm, so it's either between kind of like this brownish color or a gray. I think gray looks nicer because at first we wanted to do black. We felt like black might be a little too much, so we decided to go with this darker gray, which is called cracked pepper.
Take a look out the window. Spirit goes up as the rain falls down. I've been sailing on the wrong course, keeping it together like I did before. Think that I've said this a few times. Even with that, has it ever felt right? I swear that this has happened every moment. Can I just be honest? I was only wondering, and maybe we could take it to a different conversation. Things will get uncomfortable, but only if we make it. I just wanna say that, but you'd rather take it all back. Although you are sunlight, you stay in the shade. I'm dancing in a corner just to get a space, 'cause I wanna believe that. Ooh, I get lost, you go with your day. Slowly get close closer, but you're moving away. I know it's just a recap, but I'm sure you'll never see that. Rather take it all back. Maybe it's time to get home. Think that it's going a little too far, even after all the white noise. Oh, I still wanted to restart. Give all you're taking my time. Feels like I'm patiently waiting in line. So can we ever have another moment? Can you just be honest?
Thank you for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed our mini budget desk setup makeover for the hubby. He absolutely loves his space. We will also be finding pieces that he likes for the shelf. Since we just took things we already had for the video, he can then fill his shelf with things that mean a lot to him. But that's it for today's video. I hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to follow me at Life with Holly Lifestyles on Instagram and TikTok for more videos. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye!